Hey loves, in today's video I'm creating this super simple fall nail art with this Glamierre neon pigment in the shade Electra, as well as this set of 4 3D gold nail decals from Nicole Diary. Today I am using the BT Artbox Ballerina full cover false nails. It is a 500 piece set with sizes 0 through 9 and I purchased it on Amazon. There will be a link in the description. I am prepping my natural nail first by gently buffing the surface of my nails with my Kiss 100/180 grit nail file. I am using the 180 side to smooth and shape the surface of my nail, as well as remove any surface oils. Later on in the video, I will be using the 100 grit side to reshape my nails after I encapsulate my gems. This is a Sassy Chic gel polish remover. It is meant to be used to remove gel polish off of the natural nail to reduce the amount of damage. I like to use it to push back my cuticles as well. I am using the Kiss Powerflex Brush On Nail Glue. To get my nails to last longer, I add glue to the well of the extension as well as my real nail. With the 180 grit side of my nail, I am now gently buffing off the shiny surface of my nail. I am using my Present number 8 medium hair gel brush to apply a very thin layer of the IBD clear gel. I purchased this Born Pretty number 1 cuticle brush off of the Wish app. I often get excess product in my cuticle area and along the sides of my nails, and this brush is perfect for cleaning all of that up. With my e.l.f. eyeshadow brush that you can find at Walmart, Kroger, and Fiesta for only $1, I am applying the Glamierre neon pigment in the shade Electra. These pigments usually retail for $6.50. I used the code Nicole at checkout for 10% off. To seal in that pigment, I'm applying a thin layer of my Sensationail base and top coat and curing for 30 seconds. Electra is such a pretty purple, but as you can see, after I top coat it, it gets a lot darker, and I feel that makes it even more appropriate for fall. To fill in any gaps I may have made, as well as to ensure that I have full opacity, I'm just repeating the last 2 steps. To affix my nail gems, I'm using the Gadgets Entrepot LED glue gel along with one of the 3 brushes that came with it. I purchased the Nicole Diary Gold 3D Nail Art 4-box set for $13.99, and I purchased set 1. I've been seeing the Moon&Stars all over Instagram, and I just thought it was such a pretty trend. I just had to try it out for myself. These charms are quite heavy, so between doing each finger, I flash cured for 10 seconds. I'm also going to encapsulate because these are 3D, and also to prevent them from tarnishing. With my Present number 8 medium hair gel brush, I am encapsulating my nail art with the IBD Clear Hard Gel. Alright loves, so I messed up. While on a break from filming this video, I indulged in some chocolate chip cookies and I dropped a piece of cookie into my hard gel, and as I was scooping it out, I worked up a ton of air bubbles. Most of them are tiny, you can't really see them, but it's just really irritating because I could see them. Anywho, if you work with hard gel and you've ran into this problem before and you were able to get the air bubbles out, can you please let me know in a comment down below? Thank you. After curing for 30 seconds, I am removing the tacky layer with alcohol. Using the 100 grit side of my file, I am now reshaping my nails, just taking some of the bulk off of the tips and making sure they are nice and narrow. The last step is to apply the Sensationail base / top coat and cure for 30 seconds. Here are my nails all done. I absolutely love how they came out. Let me know what you think in a comment down below. As I stated earlier, I've been seeing the Moon and Star trend all over Instagram, and I just had to try it out for myself. If you're interested in any of the products that I used, they will be listed in the description with links to the products that I purchased online. Bye, loves!